the celebrity. Learn, play, and win online in the Learn Jamaican live quiz show and start the fun before you visit Jamaica. No need to study for this quiz. We will teach you all you need to know in our virtual tour before you compete. All you need is a laptop, a smartphone, and to book your space on Eventbrite. See description for details. What you will learn: activities and food to enjoy, basic conversation keys, basic travel tips, and more. Our digital and timed quizzes are perfect for kids, teens, and adults. Conditions apply. Grand prizes coming soon. Tutors Engine. Vacation vibes non-stop.
Welcome to Learn Jamaican Live. I am Bert, and I'll be your host. Tell us your name and where you're from in the chat. Imagine you're here. You're in Jamaica. Jamaica is a small island in the Caribbean, and this is our flag. You might hear someone say Jamaica. It's the same place. Meet Captain Parakeet. In Jamaican language, we say, "Me name Captain Parakeet." And if you hear someone asks, "Why you name?" they're asking, "What is your name?" When you see the microphone icon, it means you should unmute your mic and get ready to reply. At the top of the screen is a map of Jamaica, and where you see the yellow highlight, that is where the fun activity can be found. Is anyone on the call celebrating a birthday this month? Tell us in the chat. I want to sing you a Jamaican birthday song. So here's a bird's eye view of what we'll be covering in this virtual tour right now. Bird's eye view, get it? The National Anthem. Fun things to do. Conversation keys. Round 1 of the quiz. Travel tips. Shopping in Jamaica. Final round of the quiz. I will now sing for you the National Anthem of Jamaica. Thank you. Thank you very much. Let's dive into the fun things to do while on your trip in Jamaica. In Jamaica, we say, full joy yourself, not enjoy, because we don't want the fun to end. Get it? Here on the left are some of the fun activities you can enjoy, and on the right are the places you can enjoy them. All right, let's get ready for the virtual tour. In this segment, you get to choose which activity we will go to next. When you see this brother icon, you know it's time to choose. Please tell us the activity in the chat. First answer gets to pick. Each person can only pick once. You arrive at your hotel in St. James. You meet Stephanie, and she offers you a tour. You are ready for a tour. What do you say in the Jamaican language? You say, "Yeah man, yeah man." Your turn to repeat it. Say, "Yeah man." Time to select the next activity in this tour. Will it be rafting or will it be surfing? Please tell us in the chat. First answer gets to pick. Each person can only pick once. You go rafting in Trelawney. You meet Jono. You want to greet Jono. What do you say in the Jamaican language? Well, that will depend on the time of day. If it's morning, you say, "Good morning." If it's afternoon, you say, "Good afternoon." If it's night, you say, good night. And we say, Mas Jano, to show respect. Time to select the next activity in our tour. Will it be diving or will it be kayaking? Please tell us in the chat. What do you remember from the tour? In Jamaica we say, "Why you remember? Why you remember?" Feel free to unmute your microphone and tell us what you remember. And the moment we've all been waiting for. It's time for round 1 of the quiz. Please be reminded, we will be streaming the quiz. Welcome to round 1 of the quiz. You will use your smartphone to join the game and also use it as your controller to answer the quiz items. The highest score wins. Drop a pin on Jamaica on the map. Excellent. How could you respond to this question? Wagwan. Great job. Earn double points. For this item, you drag and drop to arrange in the right order. Better luck next time. And now to see who made the top 3 highest scores in this match. We have a winner. Congratulations. We will contact you in the chat